Usually kapag ganito kaaga, wala masyadong sasakyan. Ito si Wayne. Ito yung dalawa. Halos magkadikit lang sila. Dito sa maliit na car. Tapos si Wayne, ayan yung space niya sa roof. O diba there's no car on? Look. And it's too early. 7:40 a.m. Malapit na kami guys. Ilang minutes na lang. Nearly. Wow! Ayun yung na-color ni Sienna while nabiyahe kami. Andito na kami guys, nakapark. Sa iba na kami nagpark kasi ayaw na ni Wayne doon. Dapat dito kami tatabi sa St. Engine eh. So lalabas na kami. Oo nga. That's why I video. Ay, Sienna, look at the headlight. Look at the headlight. Sienna is like looking to you.
You like the eyes?
Yeah.
They pop up lights.
Looks like a dog.
Looks like I have a mouth.
Look at this one. It's changing color. The paint, Sienna. Stagon.
The green to gold.
Yeah.
You like the wheels? Are these ones purple?
Na someone looking our car. And then your dad entertaining it. Someone look our car.
L? 2030.
It's cute. Tinitignan nila yung sasakyan namin, guys. Nakakatawa. Ayan, ito pa. Oh. Tinitignan nila yung sasakyan namin. Nakakatawa naman. Ngayon ko na-experience yung may titingin ng ibang taong sasakyan mo. Naaliw. Ayan, marami siyang car. Mamaya pupunta tayo doon sa mga... Kasi dito kami, dito yung allowed na parking ng mga Japanese car. So, it's all about Japanese. And I forgot pa eh. May allotted parking sila for the type of car. Mamaya lipat tayo sa ibang car.
Take a picture.
O, tama ako guys. Lahat ng mga nakapark dito is JDM. Japanese Domestic Market.
JDM, this is stands for.
Oo, yun daw yung JDM. Kasi hindi siya napapurchase dito. Galing pa siya sa ibang bansa. Kumbaga, ini-import siya. O, diba yan? Hi, Pera! Ano ba yan? May aso. Takot ako sa aso. Oh, they put a SpongeBob inside.
They put this SpongeBob the one I had.
Ah, yeah, the one you have. Ha? Oo nga. May tumitingin na naman ang sasakyan namin guys. Ayun no, sa malayo. Ayan sila, oh, tinitignan. Nakakatawa lang.
这我们小区下面就这个
Yeah, ito yung nakasabay pala namin kanina, oh. Nung bumiyahe kami papunta dito. Kasi binasa ko to eh.
Philippines, a lot.
Kusanagi. Ah, yeah, I see that in my friend. Sabi ko paano nagpark kasi higher. Ganda ng color. I like the color. Sienna. Oh, look at the paint of the green Sienna. It's nice. I like the paint.
The green color's good.
Sienna, you can out daw. Ah, yeah, there's a skeleton drawing. Ang ganda pala, guys, oh. Ayan, oh.
Look, it's like a clown face, and then it's
Ang ganda. Ang dami pa dito, guys. Ayan. Mahihilo tayo. Baka maubos ang pag-video ko. Wow, it's nice. Tignan nyo to, guys.
The spare wheels in the back.
Yay! The spare wheel is in the motor. O, diba?
It's a K truck, it's a K car. So they have a small engine like yours.
K-truck!
K truck.
I thought it's a K-truck here. It's okay also.
It's a Japanese.
Ah, Japanese ka. This one is small also.
MR2.
Baby dog, a baby dog.
Baby dog.
So there's another. A lot of civic cars.
color yellow? You want yellow?
The more is in the back.
May maganda dito guys. Kaya lang dami nakaharap kasi nga ang cute. Ang daming tumitingin. Ayan guys. O, diba? Naka-show siya sa likod. Ayun.
That's my favorite rabbit.
Really? It's nice. Convertible. And then get it painted. It's nice oh. Look oh. There, ang daming seat. Yeah, speaker. There's a speaker. The other one also is a purple. Pera, look, this side.
Dog is changing the sun when you
It's nice.
it's going like red pink color. See when you move it's changing.
When you move, Sienna, it's changing
Look, it's
color.
changing the color. And then it's going blue.
It's getting blue na. Weird, no? Before it's
And then the
different.
roof is orange.
Yeah, the roof is orange. Lumipat kami dito, guys. Dito naman sa kabilang area. Tapos na tayo doon sa JDM. Spark.
This one, but it's Italian.
Ah, Italian car. Small. Tapos na tayo sa kabila. Lipat naman tayo sa iba. Ikutin natin. Ang daming tao dito rin, ah. Mas maraming tao dito. Ayan, oh. Nakikita niyo ba?
That engine is not belonging there. Huh? It's a new engine in an old car. The
Really?
turbo, look at the turbo. This one's nice.
Dad, I want you to have this car.
Wait, das heißt hier drin.
The mom goes to me.
Das ist ein 3
This is my mom's car. You can see that.
Wow, that's your mom's car before? Look, there's like a Batman also there.
Smarty fan. Smart fan. It's a
Sienna,
smart
look.
car. Baby, look. Look at the color of this car.
Smart pants.
How cool is that? Well, you can't drive it because it's not yours and you're smart.
Ayan na itsura dito sa likod. All both same green. Pinuksan ng bata yung isang car. The kids open it. It's not supposed to. So it's alarm. Oh, look at this car. Ayun, stop na. It's nice. It's nice. It's all about blue. We are coming now to the Porsche Club.
Yeah, but this
Very expensive na.
this car is like nearly $500,000.
This one, $500,000 this.
This one is really expensive. This one, the one the kid opened.
The kids open, it's alarm eh.
Look at the size of wheel on it.
Ah, pala yung
There's a
sasakyang
really
car.
cool kid's name in the back.
Ito na pala yung Lee, yung popular na guy. Ayan o. Kasi nga, ang gaganda ng sasakyan niya. Ito pa Lee din, Lee. Lahat ng may Lee. Ayan, Lee. Wow, one of the leased cars. Nice the interior. Look at the interior of this. It's nice. O, diba? Maganda. What? Sa B8?
They put a new engine in there. And then the lights is nice. We're changing.
Oh. Sienna, look at the lights. It's changing.
There's a kid there.
Maybe that's their car. Huh? Ah, yeah.
The green one, that's the best. It's to the end, so you can.
You want to take a picture? All this. Look, there's a dog at the back. Huh?
It's going to start.
Oh, go ahead, Sienna. I can hear it. Out, Sienna. Driving the car. Oh, all of them is going.
But it's going now because it's traffic jam.
Look at the dog. Dog Sienna is moving at the back of the car.
Oh, it takes long for
Look
it
at the
to
camera of the car. Super small.
It's a
See it?
traffic jam now. Let's go.
You see it? Keep moving.
Let's go.